Hello and welcome to Ovviovita.
Ovio means natural and vita means life.
Ovviovita stands for living a clean, cruelty-free, natural life.
After struggling with numerous hair and skin issues, I turned to my roots and used ancient family recipes with healing ingredients.
I was able to solve all my problems, and that journey inspired me to help others facing similar issues.
Collaborating with a specialist lab in the UK, I created a contemporary and luxurious beauty range using all those healing herbal and botanical ingredients. Every product in our collection can solve complex beauty issues like hair loss, dry scalp, and damaged hair. My mission is to raise awareness and empower you to make informed choices about your beauty routines. Explore our expertly curated, non toxic, ingredient led beauty range today. Discover Ovviovita, where nature meets innovation.